So, your MacBook Neo suddenly went black and won't turn on? Don't panic. This is more common than you think, and in most cases, it's fixable. First, try pressing the power button a few times. Just tap and release. Sometimes the button can get slightly jammed, and this simple trick can bring it back to life. If that doesn't work, plug your MacBook into its charger and leave it for at least 30 minutes. Make sure your charger and cable are working properly. It's best to use the original charger and cable for reliable performance. In many cases, the device just needs a bit of charge and will turn on automatically after a while. Still nothing? Keep it connected to power. Then press and hold the power button and try to bring up the Startup Options menu. If you could do it, select Restart and see if that boots your MacBook normally. If it still doesn't turn on, go back into the Startup Options. Then head into Options and enter. Click on your admin account. Press Next and put down your screen lock. Next, from this list, open Disk Utility. Select Macintosh HD and run First Aid. This will check for any disk issues that need attention. If there's no such problem, then try to restart your Neo from there. If everything else fails, you can reinstall macOS from the same options menu. Just keep in mind, this will erase all the data on your MacBook Neo, so use this as a last resort or take it to a service center and seek professional help. That's it. Thanks for your time.